Like I feel like this video will be a bit long. Yeah, like I want to talk about the project that was given to me at my SIWES place where I'm doing my SIWES. So like they gave me this thing to work on. Because when I first got there, I told them that I already know HTML, CSS, and currently I'm learning JavaScript. Last week Friday, Thursday, they gave me this project to work on, something like building a web app. So they gave me the project, so I started planning it, everything. So and when I want to start writing code too, and the project is going to contain different container, like something like a card, it's going to have price, description, image, and all this and a button. So I was like, maybe instead of me writing everything inside my HTML, I can actually write them inside my JavaScript. So like I just let me just try and write it inside my JavaScript. At first when I was writing it, so it really stressed me out. Like it stressed me out a lot of time, like writing inside that JavaScript. So there's one time I realized that what I've been learning so far, all this Dome that I've learned so far, this add event listener, event, I realized that it's now showing up. I was like, bro, this is what I've been learning. Started showing up. I was kind of happy. Like first time doing it, it's kind of hard. So I was like, it really stressed me out. Sometimes I just sit down, just stretch my back. How am I going to do this? What am I going to do next? What am I going to do, bro? I don't even know what to do next because the thing is really stressing me out. First time doing this, so I know it's supposed to be like this, but I was really stressed. At last, I smile. You can see that I'm very smiley. Actually, I've did everything right now. So I think I went to office today. So I got there. Only one of my friend there, like now check my laptop. So we're like, bro, this your HTML is empty and your local host is showing all this content. How do you do it? So I now open my JavaScript for him and I show him this is my JavaScript. I put everything inside my JavaScript because I'm really happy. Like the kind of happiness I have, bro. First time writing JavaScript, like I've been learning JavaScript, but I didn't know how to. I didn't even know how to implement it, like put it inside the project. First time I tried it, oh, I'm kind of happy. I'm kind of happy. I showed the guy, I was like, bro, so you finally did it. Like, I've tried. Before I even finish it, I've made a lot of changes. Finally, I took the project to office today and showed the CEO. He was happy. He was like, bro, you tried. And I smiled. Bro, kind of joy I have in. Kind of joy. The web app is going to contain different page. So I've worked on one page, on the product page. So he gave me another project, like another page to work on right now. I'm kind of happy. So right now I'm doing a plan right now, but don't worry, I'll keep you guys updated. I know this one is not going to stress me out like the first one, but don't worry, I'll let you guys know. But I'm really happy.